Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your general reading from 21st till 27th of September. Okay, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. So this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, and for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so let's see what is there for my Sagittarius in the coming week, that is from 21st till 27th of September. Please, let's see. Okay, Sag. Okay, so your overall energy, this is your general environment right now. It is the High Priestess. So this is regarding, a very deep thought regarding something. When you are closing your eyes and you're thinking deep about a situation, you know what is going on outside. You don't need to open your eyes for that. Okay, you know the exact reality of everything. You don't have to see it with your eyes, but you know it already. So this is that thing. What's the conflict? The Knight of Cups. Okay, so this might be a situation with a love relationship in your life. When there is some kind of a feeling, when you are feeling in that love moment, a very passionate, a very very quick energy. It is it is regarding that, and you know it, that this is someone whom I really like, whom I really want to spend my life with. But it's up to you whether, because you know the truth. You know whether this person or the situation is good or bad for you. You don't need to think about it much, because with the High Priestess, she knows everything. So this is the situation. Okay, so what is the foundation? The Page of Cups. Okay, so the foundation of the situation is the Page of Cups. This is something, when you really feel like, okay, small messages. So this started with a very beautiful energy. If this is a love relationship, it started with a very beautiful, a very romantic, by through messages, calling, small talking. So this was really beautiful and quick. But now it has come up in that level where you have started thinking about it in a longer perspective, in a longer term, whether you should go for it or not. But your environment looks peaceful. That means you have something in your mind, you have decided something. That means that, okay. What's your past energies? Page of Swords. So it was really fast. Two of the pages, one night over here. So it started fast. It started like a new energy. It started very enthusiastically. When small connections, when you start, might be online as well, you might have met online to each other. And this is more about, because this requires electronics. Okay, so electronics, I can get it by online via Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, howsoever. So might be you met somebody in a school over here while teaching. Both are teachers or students. So this is that thing, whether, because it took a very, that slope of fast energy. It was really fast. Okay, so what's in your mind? Two of Pentacles. So this is how you are looking at the situation. Your goals, basically your mind is busy. You have a lot of things to deal with. You have to balance energies, and you are actually, from your mind, you are balancing some energies, you are balancing other things as well, because you want everything to be perfect. So that is why you are trying to balance the energies. You are trying to make the best solution out of all the solutions. Okay, you don't want that any step of yours should be mistaken. No, You are taking each step at a time in a very confident way, plus in a very I would say it would be really, how to say that, um, in a very baby steps, plus like tiger steps. Okay, tiger just take every step each time, like looking around the surroundings around that, like that situation. Okay, so what's in the future? Four of wands. Wow. So see, your steps, your small steps are actually taking you towards something beautiful, something somewhere you can be happy. Okay, what do you want at the end? You want happiness, you want love at the end, and that is what with the four of wands you are. See, you are happy, you are uh, rejoicing, you are, might be with a friend of yours, or anyone who can be, who can share the same happiness with you, and you are being happy. How you see yourself right now? Seven of swords. So you are playing something over here. You might be, deceiving someone and going towards someone other. Basically, this energy is more about when we try to sneak away, when there are some things we had to hide. So you are becoming hideous over here. You are hiding some things to gain something else. So that is not a bad energy, because sometimes we really need to hide. Okay, so it's up to you what you have to hide, what you have to show. How people see you as nine of swords. So people around you think that you are gone, and it's been like, they are crying. It's, there is a sad energy over here. How people see you? People also see you as some of, it's also coming like, it's you who is losing everything. People are making you a pity lady or a pity man, something like that, who is like, this person is alone, he or she has no one else, nowhere to go, and they don't know that you are already working for yourself, for your future. But people see you as the, that, in Hindi we call it bechara kind of a feeling, that kind of lonely feeling. People are thinking that you are lonely, you don't have anywhere to go. Okay, so lessons you need to learn. Five of cups. So five of cups over here is, it is telling us that, it's the sadness. It is basically looking towards the sadness more, and then not looking towards the happy moments, not looking towards something which is good towards you, in front of you. So the lessons which you need to learn, the universe is telling you, do not look at the things which you have lost, do not look into the past, think about your future, think about your present, because you, by your good present only, you will make your good future. So that is what the universe wants you. Let the past be the past, let the bygones be bygones. Okay, so be happy, stay wherever you are, go wherever you want to be, wherever you want to go, and just ignore the past. Okay, whatever happened, things happen, but it does not mean that you should stop living your life. Okay, the final outcome. Oh my god, lovers. See, the future cards was four of wands, the happy card, and the lovers over here with the final outcome. So this means something. This is a very strong bond, Sag. It does not just means like, just, okay. So this is something very, very strong. So stop thinking about the past, stop mourning about the past, stop crying at nights, stop thinking about yourself as you are the one who is deceiving, as you are the one who is doing wrong. Stop thinking all the bad things, because the good things are coming your way. Start manifesting the positive stuff towards you, the positive things towards you. If you will say positive things, the positive will happen with you. Okay, so stop thinking about the negative. All right, so very, very beautiful reading, Sagittarius. I really liked your reading. It was really beautiful, because your energies are telling me over here that you, whatever you started it from the scratch. Okay, the situation, whatever the situation is, but if you will try that over here also, I will fail, you will start saying that I am a failure, I will not succeed, then you will not succeed at the end. So start saying I am a success. Okay, I will be successful. So start saying the positive stuff. All right, so that is all from my side, Saj. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.